What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewistrading.com, doing a quick market review for the week, starting off with the SPY. In Ask a Trader this week, we were talking about the S&P 500 potentially rallying. And you know what? We saw a bit of a rally, and there's a little bit of short-term strength, but today it did exactly what I thought it was going to do, and it ran into two interesting levels of resistance. First and foremost, it hit this 200-day simple moving average resistance, and it also hit a 50% retrace on the Fibonacci's, and that is also considered a level of retrace right through here. So you can see this general area has been holding, or could potentially hold even longer, as a level of resistance, and price action now is potentially poised to roll over. With that said, we are seeing a lot of negative relative strength in the market. So not really paying too much attention to the SPY specifically, although we do have some traders in the community that focus on trading it. What we were actually doing was just looking at what side of the market that relative strength is on. And so the big trade of the week that I put our community members in front of was GE. And on Sunday, I put together a trade alert for the community, and I was calling for an 1123 breakdown. On Monday morning, it broke down, and on Tuesday, it flushed out. Wednesday, Thursday, and today being Friday, it just continuously sold off. There is so much negative strength in this stock. It's incredible. So this was the call of the week, GE. I would say the majority of the people in our trading community was either watching this or trading it and making a substantial amount of money on this particular trade. The options on this at one point were up about 122% from Monday to the close today. Again, outrageous trade. It was fantastic. Also, we were also looking at Kraft Heinz today. That was another one that played out very, very well on a day trade. We're going to take this down to a smaller 5-minute chart. Let me show you what we were doing here. So Kraft opened up lower, rallied, and as it was cresting right through here, we started to manage a position right through here that we're getting in at that 51.50 level. I was looking at $50 puts, so one strike out, and then they absolutely collapsed right through here. And by the time they rallied and we started to cover, we actually got in these at 85 cents, and we were out at $1.20. So not a massive move, but in terms of an intraday move, not too bad considering the amount of work that was put in on this. If you guys want to get in front of trades like this, by all means, join us either in Ask a Trader, which is hosted on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 6 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, or you can sign up for our trade alerts. It's only $19.95. There's a link below, and you can get in front of some of these big trades as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, turn your notifications on, and follow us on Twitter as well. I do put a lot of notes out on Twitter as to what we're doing. So if you're not following us on Twitter, the handle is @JLewisTrading. Check us out there. We're on all forms of social media. JLewis Trading is the handle across the board. But again, this is just a week review of just a few of the trades that we put on. KHC was today. And the GE trade that we just covered, that was something that we put out in the trade alert. And again, it did very, very well. One of the long trades was actually Starbucks, which reported well today. And we had the community in this on this day right through here. We hit a primary target of 59.68. Most of our traders that were trading this were selling out at target. Price action did come off, got weak with the market, re-rallied back up to that first target, did pull back. I mentioned to everybody in the community that this was flagging, and if you're going to get long this thing, hold on and wait for it. It got range bound 59.68 by $58 roughly, and today positive earnings, and this thing jumped up roughly 10.5% at its high today to 65.75. Again, something that came through the J. Lewis Trading trade alerts. So if you want to get involved, there are links below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Email me if you have any questions. I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next market review.